Hey guys, this is Annie. We are in our factory now and I'm going to show you around. There are lots of different vending machines being made here. So let's go. This one we put 80 lettuce cabinets for selling bread and sandwich and so on. And this is a combination of screen rotary and side handle, can be used to sell nails and makeups. And these were flowers vending machines. These are panoramic vending machines. There are many kinds of liquids and snack vending machines. This is a drink and snack vending machine. The size of the slot can be changed like this. And the color stickers can be changed. This is a press-on nails vending machine. We divide into two parts. This part you can sell the press-on nails automatically, and this place you can put in some samples to get people's attention. And this is a coffee vending machine with lettuce cabinets. So if you are interested in our productions, please contact us.